Hi, Mr Tumble.
Oh, hello. How are you? Oh, hello.
Are you doing lots of jobs for Lord Tumble today?
Oh, yes.
Mr Tumble, have you cleaned the horse's stable?
Yes, I've been clearing up the old straw.
What are you going to do next?
Well, I'm going to have a nice rest. Ugh.
Mr Tumble, wait.
What?
You haven't put clean straw down on the floor for the horse.
Where's the clean straw?
Mr Tumble, it's behind you.
Wait, behind me? Oh, yes, there it is. Right. You could help, you know.
Mr Tumble, you need more straw.
Oh no, I've got. Oh yes, I need more straw. Now let me think. I could. Aha!
You still need more straw, Mr Tumble.
No, I got. Oh yes.
Careful, Mr Tumble. Well done, Mr Tumble. You finished.
Have I? Oh yes, I finished! Woohoo!
Mr Tumble, what are you going to do next?
Aha! Wait!
Who is this, Mr Tumble?
This is Hobby Tumble. Hello. Watch. Hello! Thank you for watching! Click here to continue to watch my videos. Woohoo!